Magbi-b-roll lang tayo ng drone. Let's do this, guys! Ito na, nakalimutan ko lang yung sombrero ko, but let's do this! Let's do this! Guys, ganito magpalipad, oh. Bababa mo, left controller, right down, and then right joystick, left down. Ganyan. Yun, oh. Then you're gonna press up, fly up. Ooh, ganyan. Okay. Let's do this! Shush and splashing! Shush and splashing! Pag nakatapon kayo, lagot kayo sa nanay nyo. Lo kayo! Lo kayo! How's your stay in Pulawan?
I'm not grumpy. I'm chill.
Oh!
I'm having pumpkin spice latte.
Ikaw lang? So ikaw lang? Ikaw lang may kape?
Bigyan, tinatanong na kita kanina eh. Gusto mo eh.
Oh, limited edition pumpkin spice. Guys, gagawan daw tayo ng pumpkin spice. Let's see it. Let's see how he does it. Let's do this. Guys, let's pass by our neighborhood with our coffee. Let's go. Wah, init ng araw guys, but I can smell the pumpkin spice. Baka ang tagal mo! Kanina pa ako nandiyan nag-aantay, lubat na yung drone!
Oh, you were looking at us?
No, there, wala pang tao eh. Kids, say hi kids!
You scared me the heck out! I thought you were dead.
Andiyan na puro sesame sa ba? Guys, ayoko na. Nababasa ako. I only have 2 pants. Baka mag side A, side B ako. Nabasa ako! Ayoko na! Guys, mag-attack tayo. Mag-attack, attack. Attack! 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 Guys, magkakape na tayo guys. Basang-basa na tayo. Try natin yung pumpkin spice limited edition ng Nespresso. Not bad. Kids, pag kayo malikot bokpay, I'm gonna do some purot sa puwet. Ang bait naman itong batang to pagtulog. Bait naman ito. Sarap naman yung tulog na yan guys. Yung isa nito tulog din.
A few hours later.
Kids, how's your nap, kids? Si Daddy nag-oversleep then. Oh, what's that? What's that? Ooh! Kids, mommy ordered chicken quesadillas and buffalo wing.
How come not club?
Wing, something wing. Try natin chicken quesadillas with cheese and
You eat muna. Okay? Hey, careful.
Nice. Very good. Not bad. Kids, man, how's the chicken?
Good.
Guys, we're gonna try the chicken wing.
Stay closer.
Very good. I love the chicken wing. How are you there, Loy? Guys, sabi nila, I just heard it from Manny now. Usually when you're a kid and your front foot's moving, it's gonna be very hard to eat because every time you bite, it's ouchy though. This person's trying to nibble it like that. She has become a rat. Are you here for the rat? I'm here for the rat. How come I'm the one to be eating like that? Archie can be also because she's here the snake like. Loy, how's your front tooth, Loy? Tanggal na? Di ba? Di ba? Matagal pa
But
yan.
an apple.
No, ano pa, it's not moving much. It's a little bit moving. You can keep on moving it na. Para sa
Why go?
So when you bite it, then boosh. No. Front tooth out. Just turn it pa, para manipis. You swirl it to a smaller, look like a hot dog. Ikuti mo pa. It's gonna become like a hot dog. Kinamay-kamay na niya yung ano. Kinamay-kamay niya tapos kung saan hawak. Ay, hugas ka kamay ah. No! Hugas ka ng kamay ah. Magka-high five kayo. Dumi-dumi ng kamay niyo. Oh yeah, she told you. Guys, Mushroom's gonna show you if in case your front tooth's moving, this one, how do you eat it? You use your canine here and you do that. Ba? The canine is strong teeth part of the human body. And it can rip and tear stuff to pieces.
But can't tear metal.
Just food lang. We're not cyborgs that we eat metal, di ba, Loy? You know what a cyborg is? So why are you saying yeah if you don't know what a cyborg is? Aloy,
I know.
a cyborg is a human. It's a mechanized human. Human that has
Half human, half metal.
No. His internal body parts are made up of artificial stuff, like metal or whatever things that are not biologically
Wood.
created, like wood, plastic, metal, silicon, something like that. If you're composed of that, you will become a cyborg. Why don't we just ask Siri what a cyborg means? Hey Siri, what does a cyborg mean? Here.
Here's what I found.
Cyborg, also known as cybernetically enhanced. Ay, nako, nag-ano yung Siri. Ay, never mind, guys. Okay na. Just eat. Dapat yung Mans. How are you there, Mans? Ha? How's your quesadillas rin kinakain mo? Kit yung chicken nyo, ingat-ngat nyo ng maayos, oh.
Which part of the day do you like? Every part.
Me?
Every part.
I like the teppanyaki today because the beef teppanyaki was very very good. That the person cooked it medium.
The person
The
didn't
cook,
do
the
magic
cook,
there.
and then the cook he let me he do some tricks to make it happy, like he do that helicopter thing like that. Tapos he did the egg and he let us try the egg and then he even throw food and let us catch with the. And Daddy was able to catch an egg. FYI.
Did you do the onion volcano?
It's okay, he did the other volcano. Kasi the last time when he did the volcano, di ba tumatalsik? You need to put a lot of oil inside the volcano. Sumalsik yung oil. natalsikan. Diba? Ako ba yung natalsikan o ikaw? Who was yung natalsikan? I forgot. Anyway, may natalsikan. But it's better na. It's better to be safe. So he just did the hand stuffing bato-bato ganyan. The hand trick. Guys, sabi ni Minerva daw, how come the sea urchins are only visible at night? Are you sure? I think it was there all along. The sea urchins can't even swim.
I saw sea urchin last night, and now in the day I checked it, and there's
Yeah.
no more sea urchin.
Wala nang sea urchin in the morning?
Yeah, but
But
I don't
the sea urchin cannot swim. It doesn't
No,
have
the
fins.
sea urchin can move very slow.
So it moved from there to there?
Yeah, it moved very slow.
And then, I don't think it can move from there to
No,
there.
last night I saw a sea
So go get the flashlight. Kunin mo yung flashlight. Nagtatalo pa tayo eh. Let's check how many sea urchin, then we'll check again tomorrow.
Daddy, yesterday, the sea urchin was on top of the coral rock thingy, and now it's behind.
Really?
Oh, there's something moving in the water.
There's a fish there, oh. Oh, ano yan? So the sea urchin, naglakad yung sea urchin?
Yeah, you said last
Ah,
time.
yan. Yung sea urchin na yan.
Yeah,
Yan, yung sea urchin. Guys, you just see that sea urchin there? There's a sea urchin there, oh.
in the bottom. Daddy,
Yeah,
zoom
there.
it in.
Yeah, how do we zoom it in? Yeah, zoom lang natin. By sea urchin daw, yan. Can you see the sea urchin? That sea urchin na yan, that one there,
The black
this
thing.
one, was on top of the coral. Now it's down there. Baka nahulog lang siya.
No, you said last time
Nag-flop
to me.
over siya.
Last time you said to me that the sea urchins move very, very slow.
Yeah, it was very slow, guys. So, guys, yung sea urchin na sa taas ng coral, like that, then yan nahulog. Okay, let's go outside, Mans. Guys, ang dami ng sea urchin. Ayun, oh. Ang grabe, ang dami. Pwede ko kumain dito ng sea urchin sashimi.
Daddy,
Guys, let's
it's an army.
Ayun, oh.
Daddy,
Guys,
it's an
oh.
army of sea urchin.
Show them. Oh! Tagad doon, oh!
There's a purple coral.
Oh, yeah. You wanna get it?
It's rare to see them there.
Purple coral.
Oh.
Guys, ang dami ng sea urchin. Guys,
Open.
pag nahulog ka dito, patay yung puwet mo.
Daddy, it's an
Oh,
army
oh.
of sea urchin.
Ah, there's a lot. There's sea urchin everywhere.
Yeah, it's surrounding the sea.
Guys. Wow.
It's an army.
Wow, hanggang dun, oh. Parang hindi natin nakita to sa umaga. Guys, ang dami, oh. Oh.
Sea urchins can move, Daddy.
Yeah, but they cannot. That's a lot of urchins.
Look, it's an army of sea urchins. Daddy pointed.
Grabe, ang dami pala.
At night, there's an army. In the day,
Sobrang dami, oh.
Daddy, in the
Sobrang dami.
morning, Daddy, in the morning, there's no sea urchin.
Guys, sabi ni Manoys, ano daw?
I was here in the morning.
Wala daw sea urchin sa umaga. Hindi mo posible. Dami-dami niya. We're gonna check tomorrow. Guys, this spot beside ng ano niya ni Manoys. We're gonna check it tomorrow, ha? No, wala raw sea urchin dyan. Okay, dito guys, check natin. Oh, there's like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ang daming sea urchin. Tomorrow we'll check if there's sea urchin there. It's still gonna be there tomorrow. Di mo lang nakita. Nag-camouflage siya. Ngayon kasi may flashlight, nakita mo lang na itim siya. Man, there's sea urchin there, Mans. Ano lang kasi, feeling mo lang.
Where's the bathtub?
So tomorrow, we're gonna be checking it. Kasi Sape was throwing it, nag-iigib siya ng water. He's throwing it. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna check if there's no sea urchin there. I don't think the sea urchins move. It was just there all along. Di ba, Loy?
No, sea urchins move. They roll. You told
They
us
move
once.
very slow lang. Malibagal lang yung ano niya.
They go with the waves.
They go with the waves? Really? Or maybe they went with the waves. Yan, pwede pa. But ang dami niyan, imposible. Ang daming urchins, so Oh. Ay, lahat yan? Lahat yan pumunta lang dyan?
Count one by one.
Lahat yan? Lahat yan, guys? Yan, I mean, they just moved to the wave. Lahat yan, ganun lang, Mans. I don't think so, Mans. Ang dami niyan. Pag nahulog ka dyan, patay puwet mo. Oh, nagbabubble-bubble pa, oh. Oh, something alive there.
That's fishes, 38.
Those fishes? Oh. Bakit walang sea urchin sa ilalim ng ano natin, ng ano natin, Mans? Walang sea urchin sa ilalim
last
ng
night I saw a
bahay.
sea urchin under.
No, sa bahay, sa under?
Yeah, under.
Ngayon, nawala na?
Yeah.
Really?
Like, some of them just came like now.
Really?
No, like what I meant is like,
Papaloko ata tayo dito. Oh, let's check.
top of this rock, that rock.
And then?
And then now it's over
Oh, there's
here.
2 sea urchin there, ah.
1, 2.
Oh, guys. May dalawang sea urchin. Dalawa lang. Okay. Bukas, dapat nandyan pa yan. Oh, we will give him 12 hours to go wherever he likes. Sana. Show it, show it. Flashlight mo.
They're under
Flashlight mo.
this area.
Oh, there's 1 there and 2 deux there, ah. Dalawang sea urchin dyan sa
And
fina-flashlight
there's
niya.
another sea urchin.
Oh, let's just look at that 2. Let's just observe that 2 there.
There's the sea urchin in the back thereof.
Oh, yeah. There's another one there at the back. Oh, wala na, nakaipit na yan. Di nagagalaw yan.
Are you sure?
Okay, under this, in front of our bed dito, ganyan, dyan sa front, dito sa may bar na to, then sa baba niyan, point it, Mans. There's 2 sea urchin there, 1 beside the rock there. Yan, show it, Mans. Yan, 1 in the rock, and then yung isa na sa gitna, kaligiran ng rock na mahirap makita. There's 2 sea urchins. So tomorrow, let's check if it's still there. I think it's still there. Ano yun? We're gonna give that sea urchin 12 hours. 1, 2, 12 hours, huh?
There's a rare sea urchin, or is it a
Where?
lionfish? There. It
Oh!
looks like, it looks
Oh! That's not the sea urchin! Go there, point it!
like, what is
Guys.
that? That one, oh, is that a lionfish?
I don't know. Iwan mo lang na nakabukas. I don't think it's a lionfish. Press mo lang. Guys, kita nyo ba, guys? May nakita kaming hindi sea urchin na
It
mukhang
looks
sea
like
urchin.
spiky.
It's very spiky. Ayan, oh.
No, I
Kita
think
nyo ba?
it's a lionfish.
No, a lionfish is color pink.
Can a
Color
lion-
pink, maganda ang lionfish. It's a pest. Lionfish is a pest. Maganda yan, hindi yan. It's our next stop. We're gonna go back to Mangrove and have dinner. It's our next stop, Mangrove. Let's go. We're gonna eat dinner now. Maraming sea urchin dito. Mans, show them. Where's the sea urchins?
There.
Angkong saw a baby shark though. We need to look at that baby shark. Look for that baby shark, kids. Baby shark, toot baby shark, toot baby shark. Let's go. We've got the improvised slide. Let's go, Loy. Let's go, man. Kids, we're gonna go to the mangrove and eat dinner. Late na tayo, but let's do this. Kids, we're back at Mangrove, kids. Ito na. Hindi ka pa ba busog? Dami mo nang kinain ah. Naka 3 cups of rice ka na. Tapos ang dami pang kinain.
4 cups.
4 cups of rice. Guys, may menu pa oh. Nagme-menu pa. Kulang pa. Ito yung pinaka-inaabangan namin lahat. Yung ano. Yun no? Lechon belly.
Sana all.
Ay, ako rin sir. Ako rin.
Yeah.
Yun no?
Swerte lang.
Yun no. Guys, ito yung inaabangan ng lahat. Ayun no, tira mo. Ito lang yung pagkain na tumatayo mga tao.
Lechon belly.
Guys, lechon belly. Very good. Kids, we're gonna go na kid. Let's go.
Dad, look there. No, Dad, look there. Dreamy like a key. Don't you?
I know it, Loiby. Ay, ko. Sana makita ng camera.
Kaya lah.
Crab.
Tara.
I-flashlight mo, sayang flashlight mo. Kita ba?
Oh. Hindi yung iPhone lah.
Hindi makita. Hindi makita lang. Hindi makita ng camera.
Tara. Yan o, yan hila o.
Guys, sorry. The DG Action 4 is a wide-angle action cam. Cannot see. Our next stop, we're gonna pass by sa Luna. So we're gonna look at those swordfish. Spada daw. They call it spada, but we don't know the English name. But we'll see it later. Sana makita ng camera. But this is a wide angle lens, so let's do this. Iya, okay. Oh, siya may hinga. Si Kong spada daw eh.
Espada ay chui oh. Espada ay chui, misi hua tang la.
Ayan oh. Si Betanle lang naman. Oh, parrot fish la oh. Laki oh. Guys, binatuhan pa ako nitong itong baboy ng kain.
Pinitik yung sinadya.
Kala ko minahulog, sabi ko pagka. Kids, smaller. Smaller you get yung bread kasuele. Smaller. Smaller bread. Boy, get siya kaya sige MC. Mans, this fish is eating the insects, yung mga lumilipad sa taas. Tignan mo. Yan. Tignan mo, may lumilipad Tignan mo, kakainin niya oh. Di ko.
Ay, parang swordfish.
Yung mga lumilipad na maliliit, tinitignan niya. Yun yung kinakain niya. Ayun oh. Ayun oh, kwaki bo. Galing oh, yan gaudya. Ang haba. Ayun oh. Yung gaudya oh. Sige, ayun oh. Guys, that's it. Ito na yung Luna experience. We just look at the fish. May spotlight dyan oh. Ito yun oh. Spotlight there. Ito din yung flashlight oh. Kaukang. Their barricade kids. They block it so that here, this part, you can see kita mo yan, may parang net na nakaharang. That one, they block it. And then they put the parrotfish inside there. So when the parrotfish eats yung mga coral, when it poops up white sand. So that yung beach line niya hahaba hanggang doon. So they put a block here, there niya. It's a block. Yan. I think the bar hanggang doon yan, no? Tomorrow, we will be going from that beach there. And then, yun, tatawid tayo dyan. We're gonna pass through that parang na net dyan. And then after that, we will see a lot of very nice corals there. So we will be using our GoPro 11 tomorrow to go there. Yan, so that we can see corals. They say that the corals here are very wild and nice. Okay kids, that's it. That's our Luna experience. Buti na lang may pagkain laging dala si Sape. Laging gutom, kaya laging may bread. Boss, bakit daw lagi kang may bread? Sabi ko kasi lagi kang gutom. Lagi may pagkain, di ba?
No?
Ganun talaga pagka
Boy Scout.
Yeah, Boy Scout. Guys, let's do a 360. Whoa, man, let's do a 360, mans. Come here. 360, let's go. Dito. I'm dizzy na! Guys, ginugoogle na.
Digestive tract and
Ayaw maniwala.
fine green white sand. So, iya nga. Di ko image parrotfish. Ni kono ni pang saipin white sand da.
Ayaw maniwala guys, ginugoogle na ngayon yung parrotfish daw. They really eat the coral and then pass through their digestive system and expel it as white sand.
Parrotfish, yes.
Yan. Ayaw maniwala guys, ginugol pa.
Iya, kasi
Yan.
lan, iya ato yan.
Guys, naghahanap ng parrotfish. Ayan, tagang. Guys, wala pang buggy. Mukhang walkathon tayo, walkathon. Guys, walkathon kami. Ano dito? Mans.
Piggyback.
Walkathon. Walkathon. Villa 2. Para may ano tayo, may content tayo sa vlog. Or else wala nang laman.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Villa 6 oh. Uy, man, look, I look like a may lightsaber yung ano ko sa ilo mo. Para may lightsaber ako. Mans, you know. Sana sa GoPro para may lightsaber. Ano daw, ayaw na nila guys maglakad. Kami na lang maglalakad. Go kids! We're gonna fetch Ama and Angkong! We're gonna fetch them lang, let's go! Anya, nakapag-reduce na ako ng 0.5 kilo.
Okay.
Sirakan na tayo. Thank you. Kids, we're here na kid. Let's go. Let's go back home. Oh, yun, no, that's it. Welcome back home, kids. Time to relax na. Bukas maaga pa tayo snorkeling. Oh, you just turn it around, moms. Oh. Guys, kala ko sumabog na yung wine. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna drink. Moms, I'm gonna give you some, okay? You know your mom drinks more wine than me.
What?
Yeah.
When does she drink wine?
Cheers, guys. Let's try it. Oh, ma'am, parang mule siya, ma'am. Matamis. Guys, ang sarap naman ng buhay ng ano dyan. Isa dyan, no? Tira mo, cheers. Guys, so nagchichill-chill lang. Sarap naman dyan. Guys, ako rin. Saan yung wine ko, guys? Go get my wine. Cheers, moms. Ito na yun. I don't like alcohol. It's not recommended. Yeah? Oh, guys, my neighbor's there. Hi, neighbor. Ooh. Would you like to build a snowman? So, how did we do the bubble bath? Ang sabi ni Kuya daw, so there, like that, pupunuan mo lang ng tubig, you know. Yan. Pagkatapos ng punuan ng tubig, lagyan mo lang daw ng shower gel. Then you press the jet. There's a jet button there sa side. This one that show you. Pindutin mo lang dito sa side. Ayun, no? Boom! Bumubula. Kita ba? Oh yeah, bumubula doon. So then, yung jet, it will help to mix the soap. And when it mixes, it becomes like this. Bubula lang siya by itself. Yan, yun lang nga, feeling ko mag-aso sa sabon. Oh! Makaw na! Oh! You know, guys, yung foam, lumalaki yung foam. Okay, so just to wrap up for today, what happened, we woke up late today, Oh, I woke up late. The kids were up and they were swimming in the morning sa pool. Tapos, I think they woke up 8 a.m. and then I woke up 10 a.m. 8? Oh, they woke up 6 a.m. Sorry. Grabe naman. Grabe naman to sa correction ng kasama ko. Tapos yan. Then we ate. Then they had breakfast and they had beach and I was sleeping. And then 10 a.m. I woke up. I had breakfast together with the late sleepers, with the late wakers. Tapos we had lunch at Teppanyaki. Then in the afternoon, the other kids went to the beach and they had this bubble bath here. Tapos the Ape family, they went to the beach and collected a lot of shells. Ang ganda. So tomorrow we're gonna put that in the itinerary. We need to collect some shells, definitely, and then make our shell collection more also. Damihan rin namin yung shell collection namin. Tapos niyan, and then we ate at Mangrove again. And then we passed by Luna to check at those fish. We fed the fish, those big fish. And then we went back and then that's it. We're here. We're back home. That's it. It's a very chill vacation. Okay, good night. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be going snorkeling and kayaking probably. Okay, see you tomorrow. Guys, di na ako makita guys. Punong-puno na ng bubble. We put 20 pumps. Ito na. And then we turn on the jet for a long time. Oh! Guy! Bubble bath attack! Bubble attack! Okay na. Kailangan ko na matulog.